Hi, today we will see how to use classes in Python. Let's start. First, let's create a new class. To create a new class, we must write class, the name of the class, student, and 2 point. Then we will define the class with his component, def, init, and self, virgule, name, age, and ID. Don't forget the 2 points. Now self point name is equal to name and point virgule. Self point age is equal to age point virgule. Self point ID is equal to ID point virgule. Now let's create a function in this class. Def print data self 2 points, print name virgule self point name, age self point age virgule ID self point ID. Now let's create an object with this class. Student1 is equal to, we write the name of the class, student, and the details of the student. The name, let's see that the name is Muhammad. The age is 17 and the ID 125. Let's call the function now. Student 1 point print the name of the function, print data, and 2 points. Let's see if it works. There is a problem here. Don't know. Let's now try the program. So as we see, it's work. Let's create another object in the class with the class student2 is equal to the name of the class student. Let's write the detail. Let's call the function student to point print data to parents. It's work as we see. Okay.